Hi everyone, this is Jeanette Westfall. I just want to give you a quick check on if this is easy for you to do. So when everyone asked me about how would we record a screencast, I just wanted to show you something very quickly using this example. Well, the first thing I did, just so that you know, was I just jumped on Google and I literally Googled, let me just see if I can drag the screen up so you can see. I Googled Screencast-O-Matic, and it brought up this, I clicked on this link and it took me to, let me just show you, to this website. On this website, I did have to log in, which isn't showing up right here. I logged in using my Google address, which is, our district has a Google address, so I used my district one, but it clicks in, I logged in using my Google login, and then I walked over here and clicked Start Recorder. When I did that, it took me to, I'm going to go back to where I was, it took me to this site, which looks the same, but it brought up this, oh sorry, that would be another screen. And so it brought up this red box that I can slide around, that you're seeing different parts. You'd see it when you started it, but anyway, it just allows me to record. It tells me up here in the corner, you can't see it because it's right outside the frame, but I'm on 1 minute, 13, 15, 21 seconds. And so when I'm done with this, I won't be able to record it, but what I will do was it will give me the option for how I want to share it. And then from there, you have two options that are super easy. If you have a YouTube account, or you can share it to YouTube by creating an account, then you'll get a YouTube address. And if you don't, you can also upload it, save it to your laptop, and upload it to Google. And everybody has access to Google. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know how quick and simple it would be to create your a screencast for us to use for our showcase for graduation. Bye.